Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1074 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am trying out this Jules Smith Beauty. Supposedly, according to my Ipsy website here, this is the Power Slick Gloss in Skinny Dip. So I got this in my January 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag. And if you haven't seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I'm just a little bit confused by this because first of all, it doesn't say that it's a lip gloss anywhere on it. So I went on to the Ipsy website to look it up. It does say on it Skinny Dip, like that's the shade. But then I went on to the Jules Smith Beauty website and Skinny Dip is brown. See, that's what Skinny Dip is on the website. So I'm a little thrown off by this. I like this shade that I got more than this brown looking one on the website, but this is a sample size. The full size version of the Power Slick lip glosses from Jules Smith Beauty retail for $18. And they do come in a bunch of different shades. I've already tried out 2 of the shades that I got in Ipsy before, which is why I'm not too excited to get basically a repeat product. But I do love lip glosses like this, so hopefully I like this one. And this is really not a bad size for a sample size product. But so it has a flexible, kind of flat paddle applicator. Here's what that looks like. And I'm gonna start off with a swatch. I mean, it looks really pretty. It looks super shiny. In the packaging here, it looks like it has some slight shimmer in it, but I don't really see the shimmer in the swatch. It might just be contributing to that beautiful shine. Well, I'm really excited to try this on my lips. I also want to note that it says it's vegan and cruelty-free. Oh my gosh. I thought I got a whiff of something delicious. It smells so good, but it smells fruity. It doesn't have that classic vanilla-like scent. It smells sweet, kind of like a Starburst. I really like the smell of this. Hopefully I like the look of it on my lips. Oh, okay, yes, I do love the look of this on my lips. It's seriously beautiful and such nice application. I feel like you can get super precise with the shape of this applicator, and I just wanted to keep applying back and forth, but you don't need really more than one swipe. But it really has such a nice texture to it. This claimed to not be sticky at all, and it's really not. It almost feels a little bit like a thick lip oil, so it's also feeling super hydrating on my chapped lips. Like, my lips are not the least bit chapped anymore. They look hydrated, they look smoothed out, and I really do like this shade. I'm just confused on, like, is this actually Skinny Dip? Is the picture shown on the website the wrong color? But I love this shade. I feel like it's nice, neutral, easy to throw on for any time of day, any makeup look, and it just has really high shine, which is so flattering. It doesn't look like a shimmery, sparkly gloss. I just see sheen to it, which I love. Like, this is what I'm so drawn to these days. I like to do a neutral lip liner with a neutral lip gloss on top, and I know I'm going to be reaching for this a lot because I love the color, I love the feel of it. I don't even feel like I need a lip liner with this because it's so precise, so enhancing to the lips. So I really, really like this. And I try out a lot of lip glosses like this these days. I feel like this is so popular now, like a tinted or more than tinted gloss. And this is seriously up there with some of my favorites. So I definitely want to know in the comments down below your thoughts on the Jules Smith Beauty lip gloss. If you've tried it, if you got it in your Ipsy glam bag. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.